Hi guys, in this video we're going to cover the temporary hold issue, how to get it fixed. So usually when this happens, you will notice that your ad stops running, or maybe you go to your billing section and you notice that Facebook has disabled your ad account and you can't run ads. So sometimes even after approving the hold, it shows successfully, you might still find out that the temporary hold is still there. So we're going to show you how we did this for one of our ad accounts. So you could see this particular ad account had a temporary hold issue, but we were able to resolve it. So we're going to show you how we did it and how you can do yours also. All right. So kindly watch this video till the end. We're going to share two approaches you can use in fixing this issue. So we're going to attach the link in the description section of this video. So kindly visit the description section to access this link we use. So when you visit this link on Facebook, now it's going to take you to this part where you're going to select the ad account that has an issue. So we're going to select this particular ad account and click on request a review. So actually what you're doing here, you are appealing to the payment team. So at the comment box, what you need to do is to be as descriptive as possible. So kindly input relevant information, or you tell Meta payment team how important this ad account is to you so that they would help you activate it. So you could just say, I need help activating my ad account. Please help payment team. Then you scroll down. You also need to add a photo of your credit or debit card. Okay. So make sure when uploading your credit or debit card, kindly show the last 4 digits, and sometimes you might be required to show the first 6 digits. Then you request a review. Then you click on request a review. So this is how it works. You could also decide to attach your bank statement if you want. All right. So this is very, very easy. So do well to visit the description section to get this link. Now we're going to take you to the second method. So the second method is similar to this. All right, so we're going to do that at business support home. So you visit www.facebook.com/business-support-and-home, or you could simply click on facebook.com/account quality. It's going to redirect you to the business support home, which was previously known as account quality. All right. Then you're going to select the asset which was disabled or where you have that issue. So sometimes you might need to click on view my account. So you click on the view my account. This is going to open up all the assets you have on your Facebook profile. So it usually starts from a personal ad account. Then you're going to show up all the business accounts on your Facebook account. So we're going to scroll down and select the particular BM that has a temporary hold issue on one of its ad accounts. Okay. Then you click on the assets. So this is the BM that has the issue. One of its ad accounts has a temporary hold issue. So you scroll down and click on see more. Then you scroll down again and click on see more. All these ad accounts are very functional. All right, so we're going to select the one that has, okay, so you can see that this one is restricted already, but it's still there. You click on open in ads manager. Okay, so we're going to open it up in ads manager. So when it opens in ad manager, you might notice that it will load up your personal ad account. All right, but don't worry. All you need to do is to simply search for the particular ad account name that you know has the temporary hold issue. All right, so we click on the drop down and we click on search. So we're just going to search for the particular ad account that has a temporary hold issue. So this is another method you could use. You don't really need the link to do this, so that you could appeal to payment team. So whenever there's a temporary hold issue and you're having issues resolving it, or it's saying kindly visit approve your confirmation, just appeal to payment team. They're the best persons to help you. Sometimes you could also contact the Meta Pro team and they will be able to help you, but that might take longer time. But take note, this method is usually for people who their ad account became disabled after the temporary hold occurred. Account with a temporary hold issue, which later got disabled. Sometimes they might not disable it. All right, so we click on request review. Now, I'm going to be very honest with you. You might try this the first time, it doesn't work, but you have to be giving it, let's say, 1 week interval. You keep trying until it's going to work, okay? All right, we're going to give you a bonus, a third method you could still use to appeal. So we're just going to show you how to do that shortly. All right, then you select the ad account that has a temporary hold issue. Then you appeal to payment team. So you can be as descriptive as possible, explaining maybe what happened. Basically, I know you can't really explain what happened, so you could just tell them you really need the ad account back to continue business delightfully, or you simply impute, I need my ad account back, please help. Then you select your payment information. Most likely, you could attach your credit card, then you click on submit. So kindly read up those instructions there so that you know what you need to submit or what else you can attach. All right, guys. So it's very, very easy. So don't forget, this is the best way to get to result. Be patient. It might not work as soon as possible, but sometimes it might work. There's a very high chance that it can actually be resolved immediately. So I'm going to show you the email they'll send to you once it's resolved. So okay, so you could also see the success email or message at the support inbox, or you could also get an email after the review is completed. Then you're going to see something like this. So thank you for contacting Meta. We notice unusual activities on your account and temporarily disabled your payment. Okay, so after reviewing, I have reactivated your account. So this is how you could get it back. All right, guys. So quickly, let's show you the third method. So you could also use this while trying to get it back. So you launch Ads Manager on your desktop or on your laptop. Then you quickly switch into the particular ad account that has a temporary hold issue. So you click on the drop down at the top left corner. Next, you click on see more ad accounts, just in case you can't find the ad account you want to switch into. Then you could make use of the search tool. So you search for the particular ad account. Okay, then you select it. Next, you wait for it to load up. All right, so this third method, you can complement it with others we've shared. So like I said, you need to keep trying this. Give it a 1 week interval, or you could contact the Meta Pro team. So visit our YouTube channel to get the video, or we're going to attach the video in the description section on how to contact the Meta Pro team. All right, guys. So for this one, you're going to notice that one of the ad campaign is active, but it's not delivering. Okay, it's not delivering. So the second one is also not delivering because the ad account has been compromised already. Next, we're going to go to the billing and payment section. So you click on billing and payments. All right, so we are here. Now we're going to try to hold it again, and let's see if that's going to work. So you click on the try hold again. So you can see it's not responding, it's unsuccessful. So which is why payment team is the best option. So we'll click on accounts, scroll to the top and click on accounts. All right. Next, we're going to select the particular ad account that has the temporary hold issue. So we select this one that has a temporary hold issue. All right, so once you open the ad account from this window, you scroll down to the bottom where you're going to find the Get Help button just at the top, just at the bottom left corner. So you click on the Get Help button at the bottom left corner. Now it's going to open up a new window where you could request a review. Next, kindly fill in all the required information just as we instructed in the previous methods. Then you request a review.